Hi, my name is Donny, and I'm a multi-unit franchisee. I have 4 Benzina Zero Duo, and they have done 60K kilometers over the last 4 months. Has like much lower maintenance compared to e-bikes or the other fleet, and we normally they only need like a normal regular service average 3,000K, and pretty much like lower cost compared to your company car or e-bikes. Yeah, I'm very happy with riding the Duos compared to the e-bikes. Less effort, and also, much efficient on the road. Pretty easy, like we only charge overnight, and the battery is quite big and lasts quite long. And how we usually do it is just like use in the morning and put on charge, and the peak hour driver or school ride they can still using during the whole night. Yeah, absolutely. I will recommend everyone especially if you are in a inner city store or high traffic store, I will recommend you probably give it a try. It's much better than like a company car or e-bike.